My YouTube journey is crazy. Today I have about 1,300 subscribers. I have some comments, several of them I have likes and everything. How this impact my life? How is the journey going? Where I am right now, where I want to be in the next 3 months, because YouTube is very hard. Often people don't tell you this thing. They ask you can start a YouTube channel 1 year, 6 months. I start YouTube September. Actually, I was led by Holy Spirit, and I don't know how about you. I'm a believer. I was led. I was in the church program, a youth program. Then I have this passion in my heart to share things about men, about boys. Most especially, I've seen a lot of boys wasting their time in my areas, in my community, and I love to. And I am an introvert. I don't talk. I love to stay with my system. Before then, I've been doing 1 or 2 Facebook ads for customers, for clients, and all that. I'm an interior designer, but I'm a digital person also. So I'm an interior designer professionally. I major on running hard for businesses. Understand? Running hard, Facebook ad, LinkedIn ad, Instagram ad. That's what I do. Eventually, God spoke that I can start. I heard God clearly that day, and I started my YouTube channel. It was very, very hard. I was speaking about men. The whole point is that I was just speaking about man, about guys. And what that thing does for me is that I was able to connect to myself, because I face the camera, I talk to camera. I was able to study many things about men, what make men feel, what make boys feel, how majority of men waste their 20 without knowing, how majority of guys today waste their 30 without knowing. I've been able to study. So I think God was speaking to me that I've wasted a lot of time. You understand me now? That I've wasted a lot of time already. I was improving. I want to become a man, and I am still improving. You understand? But when I start, the improvement was so fast. I was just doing everything to make sure I was able to speak very well on camera. So I was learning communication skills. I was learning how to interact with camera. I was learning camera skills. I was learning how to edit. I was learning that. I was learning how to put everything in order. I was learning YouTube studios. I was learning everything. So that is the YouTube journey that I have so far. I'm still in my early age in YouTube. I'm a very small YouTuber. I'm not a social media person. That is the whole thing. Because I have Instagram accounts. I don't even post. I don't do anything on Instagram. I don't post on Instagram like the pictures. I hate posting pictures on Instagram. Today I'm standing in front of the camera and speak to you guys. It is real. I will advise anyone who wants to start YouTube to start now, because you see, you will learn a lot of things that you think you know. You will learn it. You will relearn it. You will learn and unlearn when it comes to YouTube. Because even now, I'm still learning. Like, I'm not editing this video. I'm just putting everything out. I've learned so much. I was able to put my word in perspective. So I was able to put my word in perspective. I was able to learn, communicate. I'm still learning anyway. But all those kind of skills are the thing that is already helping me in my business, in my one-on-one speaking to women, men, general, everybody, not just women, men. Everybody was able to. I'm learning a lot, especially communication skill, which is one of the most important skills in the world. You've heard over and again that the most important job in the world is sales. Sales and marketing is one of the most important jobs in the world, and that work alone, people don't want to do it. That job alone, people don't want to do sales and marketing. It's so stressful. You have to speak to people. Why is it that sales and marketing are one of the most important jobs in the world? It's because the majority of the CEO, companies owners, chairman of the company, they are salesperson. They speak every day. They speak on social media. They speak on different platforms. You will learn how to communicate. I'm learning every day. I'm watching video, and I optimize all my social media. I'm following the guys who are doing greater than me in my niche, because today now I start speaking about guys. I start speaking about men, boys, turning whatever, and the niche is already saturated, because I am so confident that this is what God want me to do. But later I had another one. I have learned in life and God that God will have to start you from the ground. God wants to build you up. That is the whole point. Because how I start this particular journey is not how I'm ending. I start with being a person who wants to speak about boys, about guys, about men. It's a very, very interesting topic to speak. It's a very, very big industry. That is personal development. But now I'm speaking about finance, because the whole point is that God knew that I am not financially able to do a lot of things in my life. But He need to start with me. being the person I'm supposed to be first. So God is not dealing with my financial life. He's dealing with me first. That's why I start with forged man, being able to become the man we're supposed to be, because being forged actually means transforming to another person, a good person, understand? A bright person, a more intelligent person, more wise person, more calm person, more person that have the fruit of the Spirit, as if they are a Christian watching, understand? What the forge means is that you are becoming a person you're supposed to be, your God-given image from the creator mindset, understand? So, but now I'm not speaking about that again. I'm speaking about finance, and I will stay in this topic for life, because I myself, I love the word finance, the personal finance, the financial education, anything that revolves about investments, stocks, loan, debts. I love those things, and that is what I'm speaking about. But that is not how I start. So, in you starting your journey on YouTube, on any platform or any social platform, you will learn, you will evolve, you will change. You don't even know what you want now, except to start. That's why starting is the most important thing in life, and that is the hardest part. Starting anything is the hardest part in life, generally speaking. Once you kickstart, you continue, you begin to evolve and see things in different perspective. Okay, I think this is what I love. I think this is how this thing should be done. I think I'm good in this area. So you will change. You will change, definitely. I'm speaking to you, you will change. Even generally in your life, you see your friend that you know, that you thought you know, then you have a little fight, then just that little fight give you small experience about the person. Okay, this is how she or he behave. Then you know the person better. Then you adjust to fit in the person. If you actually like the person anyway. I'm talking about boys or men or guys here, understand? Just being a friend. And in life, you learn how to crawl first before you walk. If your baby started walking without crawling, the revelation be that. Do you understand? That's a mystery. Understand? So in life, you will learn, you will evolve, you will change, you will fail, you will stand up, you will lose money, you will lose energy, you will be tired. Today, I don't want to speak about this at all. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I've been working, like a lot of things is happening at the same time. But I'm here not a routine for me, it's not a hard thing for me again, because I am a flexible person. I enjoy myself, I enjoy my comfort, I enjoy my environment. But at the same time, I have to let people to enjoy me also, because it's called life. So whatever journey you are starting, maybe on YouTube, maybe in life, maybe your private life, you will evolve, you will change, things will happen. Understand? Don't because of it and fall. Life continue anyway. So that is my short story. Now I think when I gain more success, which I know I will share it also. So guys, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Don't forget, you have to forge. You have to forge. When you want to start forging, it's difficult and it's hard, because you are already been programmed to be a normal person. If you want to make it in life, if I want to make it in life, you will need to change some character, some attitude, some routine, some functions which are normal to you, and that can take a lot of time and hard work. One of the hardest work you will do in life is not the work you do for your boss. It's the work you do for yourself. It's the work you do on yourself. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.